1955 Studebaker Champion. Average price is $16,927. The Studebaker Champion stood out among domestic cars with its interesting European style, which gave it a more streamlined look than most post-war cars. This car offered a compact, rakish look that many admired during the 1950s. The Champion was offered in 2- and 4-door sedan models, and the line also featured the Starliner hardtops and Starlight coupes, which have been sought after by many drivers. The Champion was powered by a straight-six engine, which measured 169.6 cubic inches. This was enough to give the car 85 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque, which isn't much, but it was enough to allow the Studebaker to be driven during the weekend, cruising with the family. Many Studebaker Champion models utilized a 3-speed automatic transmission, but a manual version was standard for this car.